Start by placing the cover over the suppressor. Ensure there's about a 1/4 inch of overhang at both the front and rear ends of the suppressor. This allows for proper fit and ensures the cover will stay secure without risking damage. Begin tightening the cover from the front, working your way towards the rear. This helps to ensure the cover is snug against the body of the suppressor. If you tighten too much, you may risk damage to the cover due to partially blocking the muzzle, so loosen it slightly to adjust. Once satisfied with the front, focus on securing the rear of the cover. Tighten the area to prevent the cover from moving forward during operation. Adjust and tighten the cover by hand to ensure it's evenly secured and has the right amount of tension. Use the Kevlar bungee cord to secure the cover. Start by wrapping the bungee around the suppressor, ensuring you follow the natural tension without overstretching. You can loop the bungee around specific points of the cover, adjusting as necessary to get a tight fit. Pay attention to the natural depressions and contours of the suppressor. These can be advantageous for securing the bungee cord and ensuring the cover remains tightly fitted. When you reach a narrow section towards the rear of the suppressor, loop the bungee tightly around this area. This creates a secure fit that prevents the cover from slipping or moving during use. After securing the bungee cord, make any necessary final adjustments to ensure the cover is snug and evenly placed. Tuck away any excess bungee cord at the rear of the suppressor to maintain a clean, secure setup.